Hello guys, and welcome to Al Makrach Repair Center. On today's episode we're gonna show you how we applying the simsila around the quarter panel, of course both quarter panels, to prevent any water goes inside and to prevent from rust in the future. And we're gonna show you as well how we applying the wet and wet primer and the paint as well. Of course that color, it's only base coat and we have to rub it down again. So this is not the color of the car. The color of the car, you're gonna see it yourself later on, but this is just a base. Here you go. Now has been fully masked in here. The reason is we're doing that because we have to put simsila, so to prevent any water goes inside the car, inside the boot. This side exactly the same. Has to be done this way. Has to be done this way. Here you go, all the joints has been sealed, as you can see, which is we have to do that to prevent the water goes into the car, into the boot. Even here as well. This is the other side. And even inside the petrol flap, petrol area, this is being sealed as well. Will look nice as well. Here you go. As we can see now, the H primer has been applied, so we covered every single bit we gone through. So this is being covered with the H primer, and now it's ready to apply the wet and wet. And then after the wet and wet, straight away, of course we have to wait around 10 minutes to get dry a bit, and then we have to apply the base. Here you go. Car has been painted. Rear panel, as you can see, is shiny because this is 2K. And then of course after that we have to rub it down. We have to flat it with 1200. And then any small mistakes, any bits of pieces we missed, we can see it now properly. We rectified it, and then we apply the magic color on the car. The color is, you will see when the car is finished. Surprise, guys. This is the other side. The roof. Inside. petrol flare being done. I like the finishing of the cylinder here. It's very nice. And the reason is we cover the boot, we didn't spray together with the car, because as much as you clean the boot, still once you put the gun there and then got the pressure, still the bits of pieces and dust come out from the boot flow. So basically we're going to ruin all our work on the quarter panels and the roof. So that's why we covered it up, and then now of course we cover outside and we do the boot by itself. Of course we're going to show you how we're going to paint it. That's the reason we don't do everything together, because it's gonna affect the quarter panels and the roof. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If any question you want to ask, please comment below, and I will definitely get back to you with the answer.